Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Today I am sharing my first entry into my paper crafting anything goes challenge. If you haven't seen the video already, I will go ahead and link it up above, and I hope you will consider joining. It's an anything goes. And today I'm so excited I received my first entry, and this is from Liana over at It's a Deal. She has a great channel, and I will link her channel down below. The only thing that I've done so far is cut into the package, but I haven't taken anything out. So let's dive right in. All right, this is exciting. Now, I know that she did do a video on this, and so she will be receiving, sorry for that plastic noise, she will be receiving 2 entries into my challenge giveaway, and look at how sweet this is. So she made a an album, and I think is it using, yeah, I think it's using maybe paper bags, but she has this really sweet trim and this unicorn charm and this really fun dangle. So fun, cute. And let's see, so on the inside, okay, it has some pockets. Is that, so she has included these really cute, fun flamingos. They're so sparkly and cute. And some really fun summer paper. I think I might have a little paper pad that goes with that. I'll have to check it out. And this award die cut, and oh, look at how cute this little mermaid clip is. And these fun cards, so fun. And then on this side, she's included this handmade flag clip with some washi and some more cards. These are cute. Oh, so pretty. And let's see. Oh, some more goodies. Oh wow, look at this. This is really cute. I've never seen anything like that. It's this really cute swan shaker. So fun. And some more beautiful paper. And then this is like part of the album where you can like add photos, like your summertime fun photos. And look at how cute these are. Oh, these are so fun and colorful. These are really cute embellishments. Very sweet. And some more cards. So many extra goodies in here. Oh, look at these. I like those fruits. I don't know where they're from either. I've never seen anything like that. And it's like we have some more paper, some mermaids. So cute. This is such a fun project. I've made these, but I've made mine differently. I always lay mine the other way, so this I love. This is why I wanted to do this challenge, to see how other people design projects, and this is such a fun entry. Liana, I hope you know how much I appreciate you supporting my channel and joining in on the fun. And because you not only sent this wonderful package of goodies, thank you so much for everything. Everything is so sweet, but you also did like a VR on YouTube, so I'm going to be making up 2 tickets. And I will find some kind of jug here in my craft room, but here are your 2 entries for entering my challenge. And I have a big huge prize envelope to one lucky winner, and I thank you so much for your support and for all these wonderful goodies that you sent my way. I appreciate it so much, and I will check in with you guys soon. Bye.